Hey everyone, Mr. UnBreakIt here. I was going through some of my old junk and talking with a buddy of mine, and it reminded me of one of my old inventions. The RoboBait. Yeah, that's a tiny motor on there. What's nice about it is it can back up underneath tree limbs and stuff where it'd be impossible to cast to. I'm going to just see if it still works here. Of course, I'm going to have to put a switch here, but you can get the idea. There we go. You can see that or not. There we go. Of course, when you got your string hooked to it, it'll just be backing up from you. And I think that action there will get some attention. Oh, there it is. That action will get some attention. And like I said, RoboBait. Mr. UnBreakIt. Got the iPad wet.